Alright, what's up guys? Wheels and Bullets here. About to get in the car, ride uptown, and see if we can find some ammo. I'm looking for some 45 ACP and some 223. Put the Smith & Wesson M&P 40 compact on. Got my spare mag, full-size mag, and got my TDI knife. And I also have my CRKT Caraman on hand. I always have my gun with me at all times. I don't always have a knife or a blade with me depending on my attire. Also, going to cash in some change just to get a couple of extra bucks. Alright guys, let's go for a ride. Alright, we just pulled in here. I'm going to make a second stop here later on today, but I just come here to cash my coins because I already know the prices of the ammo here, and I pulled down the wrong lane. I hate it when people do that, but I wasn't paying attention and I just did it. So we're gonna cut over through here. We're at the ever exclusive Walmart to cash some coins because I hate paying with change, and yeah, I hate paying with change, so I'm going to get them for some dollars, and I'm gonna see if I can find one of these batteries. Whew, it's hot. It is hot. All right, I got a whole whopping $6.20. And I showed her this battery, and it looked like she went retarded on me or dumbfounded. She was like, we don't have that. All right, well, that $6 will buy a box of 223s if they have the kind I want. So we are going, oh, I didn't know they were waiting on me. I hate that. You know, you can't ride around and find a spot. You got to fucking sit and wait on me to get ready. You know, I may not be in a hurry, you know. And a lot of times I do it just to piss them off. I'll get in, I'll take my time, you know, just dicking around or whatever. Alright, well, I'm gonna ride down the road a little bit. I'm gonna go to, there's two academies I'm gonna go to just to check both of them. I'm gonna stop at the first one first and see if there's any 223s there, because a lot of times they don't have this particular brand. And also the 45 ACP, I can get like 50 rounds of the 45 ACP. No, not 50. What am I thinking? Is it 50? No, it's 100. Golly, I can't even think. It's 100 rounds of 45 ACP for like 37 and some change. And if Academy has the steel cased stuff, I'll just get in. It's like 14. It's like 14 something a box. So let's just say 15. Let's just round it up to 15. That's $30. I'm saving a little over $2 by getting the steel case stuff. So hopefully they'll have it. And if not, then I'll go to Walmart and get it. I gotta come back by Walmart anyway to do some grocery shopping. Gotta get some food, you know, stuff to take to work and stuff like that. Fixing to turn into the lovely village at Sand Hills. So this fucking light will turn green. Hey, they have their feet out the window. If it were me, I'd roll my windows up like mine are, and I'd cut the damn air on But that's just me. Yes, the light is green. Come on, go, go! Oh, I really hope they have them here because I don't want to have to drive any further to get these damn bullets. Keep screaming. I don't like parking beside these damn buggy things, but that's what I have to do. Maybe nobody hit my fucking car. Alright, let's go see what they have. My God, it's so humid from where it rained. Yes, I was crazy. Good, how are you? I approve. I definitely approve. Oh man, that one is sick. It's a large. Other sizes, small, extra large. Have to think about that. Well, shit. They didn't have none. I didn't see none on the shelf. The guy went in the back and checked. The girl looked and said, "Oh, we might have some in the back." And the guy went and checked, but there was none. But they did have the, damn it, seatbelt. They did have the 45 ACPs, so I didn't get none there. Figure I'll ride to the other academy and see what they have. Watch them. I'll ride down there and they won't have the 45s. But I figured hopefully I'll be able to get them both at the same place. And if they don't, this academy is on the way back, so I'll just swing in here and pick up the 45 ACPs here. So I love this song. Maybe that's the only way to go. I love this song. Woo! God, guns, and country. And motorcycles. My friend. A woman's juice. And that guy, he asked me, he said, "Why do you want steel case?" And I'm like, "Well, it's cheaper." And he said, "But don't your AR get dirty?" Yeah, it gets dirty, but I mean, shit, you clean the damn thing. And I didn't tell him this, but I'm like, dude, you know, the shit must be pretty good if y'all can't ever keep it in stock, you know? I mean, whenever I first found out about it, which wasn't real long ago, whenever I built my AR, I was buying it, you know, 4, 5, 6 boxes at a time. And then right after that ATF ban came out about the what is it, the M193 or M whatever, the steel core shit, after that came out, people went fucking ballistic and started buying shit left and right. And now I can't ever find that Monarch. I can't find it. I can find Tulla or Tull, whatever you'll call it, but that Monarch's a little bit cheaper. I mean, I'll get the Tula, whatever. Tora, whatever. But yeah, I'll get it today if that's all I can get. Whoa, stay in your lane, motherfucker. But yeah. So yeah, and he's wanting to question me on why there's a certain brand that I want, and I'm just like, it's about the cheapest you can fucking get unless you order bulk, and I don't have the money to order bulk, you know. I have bills and shit. All right, we are here, and I did not know this, but that's where they put the new Guitar Center. It's pretty awesome. I have to go in there and check that out. But right now, I'm on a mission for some ammo. So that's, oh shit, I could have parked right there. Right up front. They knew I were coming. They knew I were coming. They knew I was coming. Right up front. Oh yes. Oh yes. God damn, yes. Alright. Let's see if we can find some bullets. Alright, well, I'm getting in a pretty shitty mood. I can't find nowhere that has this fucking ammo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna say fuck it. Academy's not gonna get none of my business today. So I'm gonna go to Walmart and buy some Winchester White Box 45 ACP and some Tula 223 and just say the hell with it. Alright, so it turns out there's a Walmart that is right across the street from the Academy. I didn't know it was here. I knew it was a Sam's Club, but I didn't know it was a Walmart. So I'm gonna ride over here and see what the hell they got. Oh my god, there's no fucking parking. Here we go. Damn it. That's why I hate fucking Walmart. Walmart, home of the trashy ass people. I'm trashy because I'm shopping here. My god, it's hot. Huh. Damn. They have no 223. Shit. Oh well. Fuck it. And we are back where we started from. If only I would have known, I wouldn't have went to all these other fucking places. I didn't have what I needed. It's okay. I'm about to get them now. Can you say I'm annoyed? I am a little annoyed. I'm not going to lie. Oh, let's walk in down here at the garden section. So there's always plenty of parking at the garden section. Another front row. Ooh, don't you back into me. Don't you do it. I could have been a dick like all these other people that be coming up the driving through the parking lot, and then you go to back out and they decide to honk their fucking horn at you like you can't see when you're getting out. Thirsty. It's Jeff Gordon. Well, wouldn't you fucking know? I was in here the other day, and they had both kinds. All I was able to get today was my 45 ACP. They had no fucking 223 ammo. Oh, shit. Fucking pisses me off. Well, at least I got a few days before I go to the range, so I can keep looking or whatever. Just pay some ridiculous fucking price for some other fucking bullshit like Winchester or Federal or whatever. Some fucking bullshit ammo. Oh well.